You watching Baby Einstein? Huh? You watching Baby Einstein? You gonna stand up and do it? Look, Abby, if you move it, it sings to you. What was that? Huh? You gonna do it? No? Yes? Maybe? You can do it. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Come on, look. You gotta put your hands up there. You gonna do it? A little harder when the wheels go, huh? Here. Mommy will hold it. Do it. Here. You want to stand? Stand up. No. Look. No, we're not going to play with the camera. We're going to play with our new toys. Look. Look. Look at this thing. What are you doing? Alright. Camera down. I'm going to help you. Look. I'm going to show you. You got to put your hands right here. You gotta walk with it. Keep your hand on there. Walk with it. Stand there and dance. You gotta move your little legs. There you go, big girl. Look, keep your hand on it. Hand. What, you want me? You want to come to me? You're okay. It's okay. You big girl. You want to sit? We can sit. Look, sit. Yay! Big girl! Okay, you want to stand back up here? Stand up. Big girl. Can you say hey? Hi. Can we see the teeth? Go, ah! Ah! You're just not going to move that lip enough, are you? Come here. Walk over here. There you go. Hold on to Mama's leg. Let me see if I can see these teeth. Look. Look at Mama. No, don't stick your tongue out. Look. Abby. Abby, look. No, not really. No. Look, you want to play with this? Move all the boxes. Look at this thing. Look. Look how cool this is. You gonna do it? I will help you. Look. This way. Okay. You gonna stand there and watch TV? Abby. Abby. time if you're just going to watch TV. Say bye. Bye, bye. Yeah, push. I'll dance now. You gotta move it for it. There you go. Good girl! Yay! You sat down all by yourself. Now you mad that you sat down? Abby. 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 You too engrossed in the puppy. Look at the front of this thing. Ooh. Ooh. Of course you want the box. Why wouldn't you want the toy? What you gonna do with it now that you got it? Peel the tape off? Can Mommy see the box? Let Mommy have the box. Abby doesn't need the box. Give me that little devilish look like I'm gonna get it back. What is that? Oh, did she run away before you could get to her? What you got? You little ham. Bianca, get out of here. That stupid dog, Abby. What's wrong with your dog? What's that? Oh, you're giving Madeline kisses. Abby, don't pull her toes. Who's a big girl? Who's a big girl? Can you say bye?